Best natural remedy for liver cleanse. Only 3 ingredients. Best natural remedy for liver cleanse. A drink that cleanses the liver in just 3 days. If you are looking for a recipe for natural liver cleansing from fats, it is enough to drink 2 glasses a day. It reduces blood fats and keeps sugar and pressure under control. Keeping the liver in good condition is very important for general health. This 3-ingredient liver cleansing juice might surprise you today. This drink is completely healthy and natural drink. The first ingredient in today's recipe is celery. We will chop the celery into as small rings as possible. Celery cleanses the liver of all possible toxins and fats. Fresh celery juice. Dr. Broyes himself claimed that fresh celery is the best natural remedy for liver recovery. Celery is used to cleanse the body. Celery lowers blood sugar levels and blood pressure. It contains very few calories, will allow your liver to work better. We cut all 5 stalks of celery and add it into the blender. The next ingredient in our recipe is fresh beets. For today, we will need 1 bigger or 2 smaller beets. Beets are known to cleanse the liver. It contains a lot of fiber. Now we will wash the beets and cut them into larger pieces first, then add to the blender. Remember, this helps better liver function. In addition to liver diseases and for cleansing the body, beets have a beneficial effect on lung diseases, and are also part of the famous Broyes drink. Boiled beets are not nearly as healing as fresh, or its fresh juice are used for natural healing, because it stimulates liver function. And remember, we add the beets to the blender with the celery. Before look at the third ingredient, please remember to subscribe for more natural remedies like this one. The third ingredient for today is lemon. Lemon juice is a very well-known natural liver cleanser. At the same time, it cleanses the large intestine of all possible toxins, so it is recommended to do that before detoxifying the liver. Lemon cleanses the liver, and when you add beets and celery, here's how much lemon juice we got. We need that amount for today's recipe. To start, put half of the chopped vegetables and half of the water in a blender. Now we will turn off the device and add the rest of the vegetables. And at the very end we will deliver it to the blender and lemon juice. We got about 1.5 liters of the healthiest juice. When your liver is full of toxins and you easily gain weight, this drink can help you cleanse it in just 3 days. We will now deliver fresh juice to a glass. We drink that amount from the glass immediately. This powerful drink made of celery, beets and lemon can help you detoxify your liver. Now watch this next video recommended for you here.